Solving Hisense remote pairing issues.
Welcome! Are you having trouble pairing your Hisense remote with your TV? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common problem that can often be solved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Let's dive right in.
Checking the basics.
First and foremost, verify that your remote batteries are fresh and properly installed. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the correct one. If your remote isn't working at all, it might be due to drained batteries. Next, make sure nothing is obstructing the signal between your remote and the TV. Clear the path and ensure that the remote is within the range of the TV's receiver.
Resetting the remote.
Sometimes, resetting the remote can solve the problem. To do this, remove the batteries from the remote, press and hold down the power button for about 30 seconds, then replace the batteries and try again. This process can help to clear any potential issues that might be causing the remote to malfunction.
Factory reset.
If resetting the remote doesn't work, you can try a factory reset of the TV. Be aware that this will remove all of your personalized settings, so only use it as a last resort. For a Hisense TV, go to the Settings menu, find the option for a factory reset, and follow the instructions.
Repairing the remote and TV.
If none of the previous steps worked, try to repair the remote and the TV. This process may vary depending on the model of your Hisense TV and remote. Generally, you'll need to press a specific button or combination of buttons on the remote to put it in pairing mode, and then do the same on the TV. Hopefully, one of these methods will solve your issue and get your Hisense remote and TV paired up again. Remember, if all else fails, you can always reach out to Hisense customer service for assistance. We hope this video has been helpful, and you can enjoy your Hisense TV without any more remote troubles. Thanks for watching.